Proton has been around since 1996. We've built a long and strong reputation. We continue to show our customers not only are they going to be able to buy a piece of equipment from us that's going to run for a long time and run very well, but we're going to be around to provide the service and support to keep that running through the life of the product.
What really separates Proton OnSite from its competition is we made a technology pathway choice in 1996 when the company was founded to do proton exchange membrane technology. It's now been validated in these renewable energy projects and the emerging energy markets that proton exchange membrane technology is the technology of choice. So what we're seeing is our competition has now decided to also engage and develop proton exchange membrane technology, but you can't speed up time or the experience you get in the marketplace, and Proton OnSite has that.
When people look at how to get hydrogen, there's broadly two ways to do it. You're either going to generate it yourself or you're going to have it delivered. The reasons you really want to generate it yourself are the consistency of purity in the hydrogen that you're going to get. You're not making and breaking connections. Our generators provide ultra-high purity hydrogen, which is required for most of the markets that we serve. You're going to have a safer environment because you're not having people moving cylinders around or doing other things that could injure themselves or create a hazardous environment, because the generators themselves don't store much gas at all, so you're really generating on demand. So you have a very small inventory, so you're safer, and in most cases it's less expensive. And the flexibility of using some of this equipment has gotten broader and broader.
Proton is always looking at the market to drive our innovation here. We are a product solutions company driven by market needs.
Everything we do, beginning with the fundamental R&D, has an eye on a commercial product. It's that focus that has differentiated us in the marketplace because we treat everything like a business.
Proton has taken the same technology development path we have historically with hydrogen and applied it to our new nitrogen line. We've taken state-of-the-art technology, whether it's membrane technology or PSA technology for nitrogen generation, and applied it to a line of products that serves the analytical lab market and light industrial markets for nitrogen.
Proton OnSite is a global company. We operate in over 80 countries around the world today. We have distribution around the globe, and we also have an extensive service organization that supports that product line.
We are a global supplier of on-site gas generation products. We have product on all 7 continents, and we have it in any end-use application, from power plants, renewable energy capture, laboratories, heat treat, you name it. If somebody needs on-site gas generation products, they probably own something from Proton.
Our uptime of 99% or greater is certainly top of the industry in terms of performance of products.
We've always built Proton on a foundation of strong service, whether it's people coming out to the site to do maintenance or repairs, whether it's people on the phone to help troubleshoot an error code or something that's come up with the equipment. Our focus is always to get the customer up and running as quickly as possible.
We have a very low turnover in employees. In fact, most of the employees that work in manufacturing and for Proton in general have 10+ years experience. We leverage that experience and that passion and that pride in what we do to be the world leader.
Whether we're serving one of our military customers or a commercial customer with a laboratory in Indianapolis, high reliability, high quality, that's what we deliver to our customers.
Research and development is important because we're really trying to advance our technology to meet the cost and efficiency targets for the markets that we're trying to serve. We don't want to waste our time looking at materials that are only going to last several hundred hours in a product. So pretty early on we start looking at things like material strength and stress analysis and compressibility of materials.
As we're looking at market changes, features that need to be added to our products, we look to our innovation and our R&D to drive that.
Proton OnSite has been successful in the marketplace because we've had a focus on being a commercial business. We continuously innovate, and we never feel comfortable with where we are in terms of our technology or in terms of what we're doing to help our customer base.
At the end of the day, I want potential customers to be able to look at Proton and know they can count on us to deliver what they need for the price they need it, with the quality they expect, and the schedule that they dictate. And that is what we do today, and that is what we will continue to do in the future.